Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the marshmallow root seed in Grow a Garden. So in this Easter event, there's a brand new plant that called marshmallow root. And to get the seed, you actually can't buy it directly from the shop. Instead, you need to get it from the Egg War event rewards. Now here's the important part. The marshmallow root seed is part of the divine reward at the Egg War. This one. This one, you can get this marshmallow root from the divine rewards like this, and which is this rewards is pretty rare, and it's marked by pink egg like this. It's beautiful egg. It has a pink color like this. So whenever you see a pink egg rewards at the egg war, that's your chance to get this marshmallow root seed. But since X War is a competitive event, you will be fighting with other players to grab the eggs. So for this simple tip, just try joining at the private server, and with that way you don't have to compete with random players, and it becomes much easier to secure the eggs. And yeah, that's basically it. Just keep playing Egg War and aim for the pink egg rewards, and eventually you will get this marshmallow root seed. And for this seed, it will look like this. It has a pink color like this. You can see it. It's a unique look. The seed has a unique look like this, and I think it's so cute. It has a sprinkle like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.